counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review that with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Tamayo, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did, and I would like to address the court so I can just let you know what I'm doing in Texas. I'm from California.
Okay, I mean,
It ain't gonna make a difference.
all right, then maybe your attorney doesn't want to talk about what you're doing here. All right, counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Proceeding on count 2 waiting.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you cite it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1B, 4 grams to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Today,
Counsel,
we've
you
got a
received all
front row
discovery.
seat
Did
to a
you review
complete
that,
courtroom train
with your
wreck
client?
featuring
Yes, Your
a
Honor.
violent
Court will find that
offender
the state
who
is
is
in
moments
compliance with
away from
discovery.
learning
Mr.
why you
Tamayo, did
never
review the
disrespect
true
a
bill of
judge.
indictment with
His
your attorney?
attitude
Did you
is
understand it?
unreal, scoffing
Yes, I did,
openly,
and I would like to
rolling his
address the court
eyes,
so I can
rocking in his
just let you
chair
know
like
what
he's
I'm
on a
doing in
playground,
Texas. I'm from
not in a
California.
courtroom, and clearly
I mean,
enjoying
does-
himself.
It ain't gonna make a
Rule number
difference.
one in
All
court
right, then
is simple.
maybe your
If you
attorney
don't
doesn't want to
understand the
talk about what you're
process,
doing here.
let your attorney handle the talking. But no, this guy decided to perform his own stand-up
right,
routine
counsel, do
in
you
a
waive the
place
reading
where
of the
jokes
indictment?
don't
Yes, Your
land,
Honor.
State, are you
unless
proceeding
contempt
on the
of court is
indictment
the
as
goal.
presented?
Fun fact, judges have wide authority to enforce
Any
courtroom
objection?
decorum.
No
And
objection,
under
Your Honor.
Rule 3.5, showing disrespect can
All
seriously
right, did you
impact
review the
your
document
case.
entitled Court
Mocking the person
Admonishments
with the
and
gavel
Defendant's
is
Waivers with your
always a
attorney? Did
terrible
you
idea.
understand it?
Watching this
Yes,
play out
Did you
is
cite
like
it in
watching
all the
someone
appropriate
insult the
places?
chef
Yes,
before their
ma'am.
food
Do you understand
arrives.
your charge of
Bold,
possession of a controlled
foolish,
substance, penalty
and
group
painfully
1,
stupid.
1B,
What do you think? Is
4
this guy
grams
just
to
being
200 grams?
rude,
That's a
or
second-degree
am I too
felony.
old
Range of
school?
punishment is
Either
anywhere
way,
from 2
let's dive
to
in
20
and
years
see
in
how
prison
this
and up to
circus act
$10,000
finally
fine. Did you
ends.
understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
I try not to, but yes.
Well, I mean, it's either you did or you did not. If you want a jury trial, we can set you for jury trial.
No, I just give up the rights.
All right.
Right?
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Tamayo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, but I would like to
Anyone?
tell somebody
Yes.
it's about you. I came to visit a cousin in July, and I was here only for a month. It took 5 months for me to see a court date. I lost my brother, I lost my cousin that I came to visit while I was in Kasher, lost my aunt, lost my sister-in-law too. And I was hoping for probation, you know what I mean? Go to Victory Outcry and get a blueprint and help out the community, give you guys a year and have the community speak for itself, you know what I mean?
All right. Well, what I can tell you is this is Texas, not California, and that's not the way things are done here. So my question is,
I also know what's constitutional,
anyone-
not constitutional.
has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
Nah,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
I just finished doing 10 years.
All right. Has anyone promised you anything other than this plea bargain agreement?
No,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
anywhere I can't complain.
All right. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am. In
Court will find
California.
that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I understand it all.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count 2. Punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there being such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Into the offenses charged in count two, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
State offers State's Exhibit number 1 and attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
I signed a paper to get extradited. They said 30, 60, 90 days. Am I gonna get extradited back to California?
Or
And
you
then
did
this
not.
guy
If you
just
want a
straight
jury
up
trial,
tells the
we can
judge
set
he
you
wants
for
to be
jury
sent
trial.
back to California. Like,
you're
excuse me,
right.
sir, is this a courtroom or a travel agency? Does
Counsel,
he
has your client
seriously
been able to
think
provide you
California
with any
prisons are
defenses?
some kind of
Yes, Your Honor.
wellness
Do you
retreat with
believe he has a
yoga mats
rational as
and
well as
avocado
factual
toast? Why
understanding
would
of
you
the
even say
charges
that out
against him?
loud?
Yes,
Someone,
Your Honor.
please
Do you
walk me
believe
through
he's
the
currently
logic here.
competent and was
Because I'm
legally sane at the
absolutely
time of the
lost. You
offense?
can
Yes,
watch
Your Honor.
Judge
Mr.
Boyd's
Tamayo, has
patience
anyone threatened
slowly
you, forced you, or placed you in
unraveling.
fear to
And
get you to enter
honestly,
this
she
plea?
deserves an award
No,
for not
but I would
losing
like
it
to
on
get
this guy
some-
and his
Yes.
attorney. That poor attorney is
Uh,
fighting for his
I came to
life,
visit a cousin
trying to stay
in July.
professional, but you can see it in his
And I was
eyes. He
here
knows
waiting
his
for a
client just earned
It took
himself
5
an
months for me to
express
see a court
pass
date.
to a
I lost
very
my
long
brother, I
prison
lost my cousin
sentence.
that I came to
If this
visit
isn't a
while I was
perfect
incarcerated,
example
lost
of
my
what
aunt,
not to do in
lost my
court,
sister and
I
uncle.
genuinely don't know what
And,
is. And the way this guy's
I was
standing
hoping
there,
for
it's
probation-
almost like
for
he's
probation,
challenging
you know what I mean?
everyone in the
We'll be through
room
the
to
outcry
snap the
and get a
smugness
blueprint
is
and
off
have
the
all the
charts right
community,
now.
give you guys
I
a
honestly
computer
can't.
and
Tell
have
if he
the community
thinks he's
speak
playing
for
chess
itself, you know
well.
what I mean?
All right, well,
Everyone
what I can
else
tell you
is
is this
playing
is Texas,
checkers,
not
or if
California,
he's
and
just
that's not the way
completely
things are
detached
done
from
here.
reality. Either way, it's a bold move and
So my
definitely
question
not a
is,
smart
Also know
one.
what's
So let's
Has
see how much
anyone-
longer Judge Boyd can
has
keep her cool
anyone
before
threatened you,
this circus
forced you, or
reaches its
placed you in
breaking
fear to
point.
get you to enter? You're going to serve your time of in custody in Texas prison, and then they will transfer you.
I thought I was gonna get extradited before that.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will
Man.
find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, hell yeah,
All
I
right.
love Texas. Yeah.
Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison.
Mhm.
There's a $2,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent. There's to be no contact with Sandra L. Torres.
Why is that?
All right. Counsel, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights? And I'm sorry, also no contact with Julian Rodriguez
How do you know that, dude? I met him that day.
and Christy Brown. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain, counsel, did he review the document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Good luck with you. Or
Do you
did
think
not. If
3
you want a
years
jury
was
trial,
a
we can
justified
set you
sentence
for
here?
jury trial.
This guy
No,
literally
that's
just got
your
released from
rights.
prison not too
Right.
long ago, and now he's already
Counsel, has
heading
your client
back
been
in
able
for
to
another
provide you
3
with any
years.
defenses?
At this
Yes, Your Honor.
point, it
Do you
almost
believe he has a
feels like he's
rational as
trying to
well as a
speed run
factual understanding
incarceration.
of the charges
In some
against him?
states,
Yes, Your Honor.
the three
Do you
strikes
believe he's
law
currently
allows
competent
repeat
and was legally
offenders to
sane at the
receive
time of the
much
offense?
harsher
Yes, Your Honor.
penalties.
Mr.
So he
Tamayo,
should
has
probably
anyone
feel
threatened
lucky
you,
this
forced you,
wasn't
or
his
placed you
third
in fear
serious
to get you
strike.
to enter this
If it had
plea?
been, he could have
No,
been looking at a
but I would
life
like to say
sentence.
something.
What really
Yes.
frustrates me is his attitude
Uh,
toward the whole
I came to visit
situation.
a cousin
He acts like
in
a kid
July,
who thinks going to prison is
and I was
something
here waiting for a
cool,
month.
like he's
It
collecting
took 5 months for me to
badges
see a court
instead of
date. I lost
consequences.
my brother, I
You
lost
can
my
clearly
cousin that I
see
came to
him
visit while I was
smiling
incarcerated,
and
lost my
laughing,
aunt,
completely
lost my
detached
sister
from the
and uncle.
reality of what's
And
happening to him. For
I was
context,
hoping for
judges
probation,
often
for
take a
probation,
defendant's
you know what I mean?
demeanor
We'll
into
be through the
account
outcry
during
and get a
sentencing
blueprint and
under
have all the
Rule
community, give
32
you guys a
of the
computer,
Federal Rules of
and have the
Criminal
community speak
Procedure.
for itself, you know what I
Smiling
mean?
All
and
right, well, what I
laughing
can
in
tell you
court
is this
is
is Texas,
definitely
not
not the
California, and
best
that's
way
not
to
the
earn
way
a judge's
things are done
favor.
here.
I genuinely wonder if this man will ever wake up
So my
and
question
take things
is,
seriously.
Has
You'd
anyone-
expect the revolving door of prison
has
to get
anyone threatened
tiring
you,
after a
coerced you, or
while,
placed you in
but
fear to
maybe
get you
not
to
for
enter
him.
this plea?
Either
No.
way,
Anyone
it's a
promised you
harsh
anything
lesson
other than
he
the plea?
keeps refusing to learn. Thanks for
This thing is
watching.
doing
Don't
10
forget to
years.
like,
All right, has anyone
subscribe,
promised you
and take
anything other
care.
than this